Welcome to Bite-Sized Mythology. Dive into the world of Greek mythology, where gods, heroes, and ancient legends transcend time and continue to captivate us today.
The Titans, Cyclopes, and Hecatoncheires. From the intimate connection between Gaia, the Earth, and Uranus, the vast sky, the first children emerged, powerful and primordial beings destined to shake the world to its foundations. Nourished by Uranus's embrace, Gaia gave birth to the Titans, the original rulers of the cosmos. They were not merely gods, they were embodiments of the primal forces of nature, possessing unimaginable size and power. Their forms appeared human, yet in their eyes burned the fire of the cosmos. Each Titan carried a unique elemental force within Cronus, the essence of time, Oceanus, the mighty sea, and Hyperion, who would guide the course of the sun. They were the legacy of Gaia and Uranus, shaped from earth and sky, and their fates were intricately intertwined with the unfolding of the world. Yet Gaia bore further children, creatures whose appearance made even the strongest hearts tremble. The Cyclopes, immeasurably large beings with a single eye, towered far above mortals with immense strength. Their form was unrestrained and fearsome, yet deep within them burned the knowledge and the gift to forge powerful weapons and tools. Later they would shape Zeus' lightning. However, in these early days of creation, they were still untamed forces of nature, yet to find their destiny. And then there were the Hecatoncheires, the monstrous beings with 100 arms and 50 heads. These creatures embodied chaos, a manifestation of the primordial forces still pulsating in the world. Their power was colossal, their appearance grotesque, yet within them shimmered the untamed energy of creation, restless and unbridled. They stood as symbols of the uncontrollable and the unimaginable, representing the wild forces of the earth and cosmos that still yearned for order. The Titans, destined to govern the world, were the very framework that emerged from chaos. They were to ease the transition from disorder to cosmic harmony. Yet the Cyclopes and the Hecatoncheires, with their wild forms and seemingly boundless power, were a constant reminder that chaos could never be fully subdued. Their existence stirred unease in the hearts of the gods, symbolizing the ever-present threat of the world slipping back into disarray. Gaia cherished all her children, yet a wave of horror washed over him when Uranus, the sky, laid eyes upon the Hecatoncheires and Cyclopes. Their grotesque, monstrous forms filled him with disgust, and he was gripped by a profound fear of the untamed power they emanated. In his desperation, he resorted to a brutal course of action. With an iron fist, he cast the Cyclopes and Hecatoncheires deep into Tartarus, the shadowy prison nestled in the bowels of the earth, far removed from the surface and the light of day. There they were destined to remain unseen and forgotten. Gaia's heart cried out in bitter pain. She could not understand that her beloved Uranus treated her children cruelly. Anger and rage flared within her, like a churning sea battling against a stormy sky. Yet she restrained her fury and remained silent, watching as Uranus seized power over the world and appointed the Titans to rule. The Titans, solid and proud, were destined to rule the world from that point forward. They served as the link between Gaia and Uranus, maintaining the equilibrium that held the cosmos together. However, deep within Gaia, a thirst for vengeance brewed, and the exile of her children would not pass without repercussions. The spark of rebellion had been ignited, and the era of upheaval was approaching.
Thank you for joining us on this journey into Greek mythology. If gods, heroes, and mystical tales still intrigue you, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more fascinating stories from the ancient world. See you next time.